Hi everyone, welcome to Jack and Ilona's channel, and in today's video we are going to show you how to dye Easter eggs using dye tablets by PAAS. It will be demonstrated by my wife Ilona, and the contents are 5 dye tablets, 5 cups, 1 glitter, 1 magic crayon, and 1 egg dipper. So what you want to do first is get a little bit organized, separate your cups, get the dye ready, cut the bag, place each dye in their corresponding cup. And once you're done placing the dye in their cups, you're going to want to get the vinegar ready. And what you want to do with the vinegar is only pour it to the first line on the cup right there. Just that first line. Once you start to pour the vinegar, it will start to fizz, which is fine, it's normal. That's how they dissolve. And you'll want to pour the vinegar in each cup, all just up to that first line. And you're going to give it about 5 to 7 minutes until it's fully dissolved. Okay, once it's fully dissolved, then you can use it. You can add the water and continue the process. And here you can see how it continues to fizz and dissolve. You want to make sure and give it that 5 to 7 minutes so that it can fully dissolve, so that you can use the solution. And the next step is to fill the rest of the cup to that second line with room temperature water. Okay, just to that line. You don't want to underfill it, because when you place the egg in, you want it to fully enclose the egg, and you don't want to overfill it because it'll just leak from the top. And once all the cups are full, next step is going to be to get the egg and the magic crayon. Now the magic crayon, you can make symbols, you can write letters, you can write words, you can basically do any sign or symbol that you want. And what that does, the purpose of that is it does not color that section of what you're crayoning in. And once you're done with the symbol that you want, next step is going to be to get the egg dipper. If you're not comfortable with the egg dipper, you can also do this with a spoon, and you'll place it in whichever color of dye that you want, whether that's red or blue. We have 30 eggs that we want to color in, so we're going to use all 5. And we went ahead and did all 5 at the same time, as you can see. And you just want to give it at least 5 minutes in the solution. It's suggested for 5, but the more you leave it, the better. And of course, we forgot to bend the dipper the first time, so we're doing it the second time. And you want to be careful when you take it out of the water, it might slip off. And what you want to do next is, it does also come with a glitter pack, so if you want to add some glitter to the egg, you can. It does give it a little bit of extra shine to it. Okay, and once you're done with the glitter, you want to carefully place it on a paper towel and just let it dry. Okay, and I did say that we have 30 eggs. This is just our first batch that we're working on. And these are the results of our Easter eggs. Happy Easter to everyone. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe for future videos.